Gotta do the I heard you have illegal drugs in your garage. Stop playing the camera.
On. Do it again. Never heard of it. I don't know what it is. Shawty trifling.
Shawty trifling. She must be from Dirty Dogs.
That's what I'm saying.
Like it's not like super offensive.
Which one is that, Samyang?
What are we doing?
Oh, Jin.
What are we doing? We are at the China.
Spending too much money.
China. We are there.
Ramen.
We are in Chinese. I'm filming. Now he's got to do a bunch of work on the.
Yeah.
He's got to do.
Yeah, I gotta restabilize everything, and
I'm basically a filmmaker. I'm basically Steven Spielberg.
it's a.
J.
J-Dong.
J-Dong.
J-Dong. You're a dong, Jaden. Filler. Do your thing.
I won't. Do your
Play the system. This is how you play the system, guys.
This is what we're doing. Oh, that's what he's doing.
He's playing the system. How much is it gonna be? 71.47, and he wins.
53 cents off.
$72.
Wow. $72. Okay.
Dang.
I am actually.
Okay.
Talk about it.
We got the spread out here. We got these burgers. We got these brats.
Are you getting this for cold?
Yes.
Woo! Swouse.
What's going on?
We're ordering some Master Walk. Master Walk? Okay.
Yo, Master Walk. We're ordering Master Walk.
What is it?
We are ordering Master Walk.
Crazy. Order process.
The process.
No, I've done it to people before.
Okay, so you two just gonna take care of it?
Yeah.
Okay, then me and Cole and I guess we'll just go with Joe. Brett, what is the question?
Huh? We're prisoners of war. They're not allowed out.
Hey. We're meeting at Walmart. Let's get it, right?
Yeah. He's got the goods.
We got the goods. We got the Bahamas. Have a blast.
Ja?
Jaw?
On Ja? Is that you, Joe?
Jesus Christ.
On Ja? Ba
We're
Ja
gaming.
Blast?
We're gaming. Protection magic.
Let's go, Brett.
Sports house.
Sir.
Esports house.
Camera right there.
It's the esports house.
Esports, baby.
Shareholders.
Sorry, shareholders. We're like 4 guns, dude. This dude was armed to the teeth.
Video?
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Why?
Probably because it's not fast enough.
Who sat in this last?
Tucker?
I'm like, my back is like out of 90 degrees.
There was a kid.
First thing, I feel my head's slowly not working anymore. Look at this dude. Get a load of this guy.
And then
No,
the kid that got him out.
Seems like at least
What?
Look at him.
And then he went back.
I want a good, clean fight. Nothing below the waist. Oh, wait, hold on. Go shoot these at each other. Hold on. Okay.
You can just hang out there.
After the environment.
No, we're not. I'm fuck you. Fuck you, Bubbles.
It's not worth the risk.
Really fucking.
Shoot each other. Okay. All the fire.
We love doing that.
Wingardium Leviosa.
The battle commences. This is really fucking stupid.
Close the distance.
You aim it at him, not at the ground, Najib.
Oh, my balls! Oh! Friendly fire! Dude, I fucking dodged too many of them were like. I can't believe it.
Alright, we're gonna go for it.
Commence.
Wait, what the fuck is wrong with mine? Oh! Ow! Fuck! Oh shit!
You get a close up.
Brock.
Got
Taking a trip.
What do we got on there?
Brock Lesnar. He's taking a trip. Astronaut.
Go ahead and give her a light.
Step it back.
Holy shit. I don't like point out. I don't think that's.